Hey everyone, it's Michelle Mitten Prepper. Uh, I'm hopping on here. I just got back to the house and I'm out of breath because my anxiety level is a bit high. I was out doing a few errands and I had stopped at the grocery store. I was wanting to pick up a couple things, fill in some gaps, and the grid went down, literally. We had a grid down scenario when I had just got into the grocery store and started doing some of my shopping. Of course, there was a ton of clearance deals going on right now, tons that I could see, and next thing I know, I was just getting ready to pull my phone out and start snapping a few pictures of some of the deals and things going on at my local Kroger here. But anyhow, instant blackout. Completely black. You could hear everyone in the store making some noise here and there, wherever they were. I do have a, excuse me, I do have a little video clip of some of the time that I was in the store there. They had some emergency lights that came on, but the power did not come back on. And there is an announcement on the PA that you could hear in this video that I'll add on to this here, but I'll tell you what, that made me very, very nervous, especially, I was not at home, so I hightailed it out of there. Power was out in quite a few areas. Not sure exactly why. We don't know I know Michigan was on. I don't know if it was Alaska Prepper or if it was Grayman Prepping. One of those two were talking about rolling blackouts, and they both maybe have mentioned it in some of their videos that they've posted recently. But Michigan, I'm pretty sure it was I think it was Grayman Prepping, but Michigan, it was number 2 for having rolling blackouts or random blackouts. And today really got me a little more eager to make sure I have some more things in order and organized and know where everything is and have things set up so that if the power stays off, I am prepared as much as I possibly can be. Luckily, I had just filled up my truck with gas, which was super expensive. That was another $100 bill right there that won't even last for a week. It was supposed to be, it's been hit or miss with weather today. It's rained, it's been cloudy, now the sun is out, and it's just a little bit of whatever. But anyhow, I am outside trying to catch my breath a little bit because still a little caught off guard with that, especially being in a public location. And luckily, most of the people remain calm, and I managed to make it out with a couple items, and that was about it. So, and I want to stress to everyone again, if you do not carry cash on you, start carrying cash. Don't depend on your bank cards, your debit cards, your EBT cards, using your WIC stuff, anything that you have that you depend on to get your food for your family. Do not depend on it, because scenarios like this today, those will not work. You will not be able to use your Apple Watches or tap your phone and Google Pay, whatever all those things are that people use other than cash. So thankfully, I'm a person who keeps my money out of the bank for decades now, and I have cash on me for instances like this. At least I was able to get a couple things that I wanted to get to fill in some gaps, and then I hightailed it back home. We have power in this area here, but that does not mean that it is going to stay on. So I am going to be checking out and online here pretty soon and see where the where the blackout area is and estimated time for it to be restored if there is one. So anyhow, I can't stress enough to make sure that you have things on hand, you know, not going shopping, you know, every couple days and, you know, wasting your gas and things like that, because you may need that tank of gas to get where location number 2 is for when the blackouts stay blacked out, and have your cash on you. Make sure it's smaller bills, and have your small coins, silver coins, precious metals, and things like that. So anyway, y'all take care. God bless. Keep prepping. I'll see you in the next video. I love y'all. Take care. Hello everyone. It's Michelle Mitten Prepper. I am in the Kroger store trying to do some shopping, and we just had the whole store go black. Completely black. I want to talk about being a little nervous at the moment. It's a little crazy right now. Everyone is waiting. There's a couple of lights that came on, but the power is out everywhere. And holy shnikes, I'm a little nervous at the moment. So I'm gonna see if hopefully they have a generator that comes back on real quick. Okay, I am, my heart's racing a little bit here. I've never been in a grocery store in the middle of the day when the whole place goes black and it is dark in here. So, oh goodness, let me see if I can find my way back out of here. Okay, power is still out, of course. There are a ton of deals right now in the store on all their salad kits. Everything is like clearanced out. There's tons of clearance prices everywhere. This is kind of freaking me out still. It's been a while since I tapped off my phone, and I'm hoping that the power comes back on, because I was just trying to find a few things to get for some dinner tonight. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna keep on trying to move through the store a little bit more, and I'll check back in again in a moment. Okay, it's been about 10-15 minutes again, and still no power on in the store. The radio is playing in here. There's a couple, like I said, there's a couple backup lights on in here. I'm hoping that this is not something that's going on back at home when I get back there. I guess I will find out. But I will update you as soon as I can get out of this dark store, and hopefully leave with some food, because I'm out trying to find the things to fill in the gaps, because stuff is hitting the fan around here more and more. So I'll check in again soon. Okay, still. So I just heard that over the loudspeaker. Yeah, there is no power coming back on right now. These are emergency lights that are working. There is nothing else working. So I am trying to gather a couple things that I wanted to get while I was here today, but we'll see if I can actually get them. So, yeah, the only reason that it looks light in here is because that is outside. It is still light outside, but oh my goodness, I was in the back of the store, and all of a sudden it was just pitch black. So it's so crazy right now. All right, we're gonna see if we can purchase some stuff here. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was a little scary. Yeah, the doors are being manually opened to let us out. Luckily, I was able to get a couple of things that I had in my cart, But again, that was a very creepy, scary thing, and it looks like the power is out at all the other areas here. Actually, oh, there they are right there. There's the DTE people working on stuff, so more than likely they probably were the ones that cut the power. So anyhow, well, I guess that is a little wow, yeah, that was a little exciting for me. Too much excitement, but anyhow, I'm gonna head home and hopefully they didn't mess up power at my house. Everyone stay safe, God bless, keep on prepping, and bring flashlights with you when you go shopping, and cash. See you in the next video.